Welcome to Brookwood. This little voxel town is a mod for sandbox mode in the game Teardown. Teardown is a really good voxel-based destruction game where you're challenged with being a thief and, strategically destructing your environment to gain access to resources. But that's not what we're here for today. What we're here for today is this incredible mod I discovered today. And it's so good I had to show it and give a voiceover because I have to show you how excited I am about one of these cars. So I loaded up this mod. It spawns you here at the car dealership. And I got wandering over here and I thought, man, those cars are really well done. They're even recognizable. I mean, those kind of look like Packards. And then I was wandering over here and I mean, that is unmistakably a Nash Metropolitan. And yeah, you grab the hood, open it up. There's a little air cleaner in there. Open up the trunk. A little Continental spare tire goes with it. All these other cars have trunks and engines. There's a old school round air cleaner up on top. There's a little burger drive-through over there. There's a gas station. But I hopped in this little Nash. Started heading down the road. And I thought, hey, wait a minute. That kind of looks like a very early first-gen Falcon. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if there was a Corvair in this game? You know, no grill. I mean, all of these have a trunk and an engine bay. Here's a station wagon, another Falcon. That one's a wagon. And then, wait a minute. That looks a little familiar. We've got the engine cover vents. We got the backup lights that only work on fancy models. We got the grill down here. We have a twin carburetor flat 6 in the back. This is a 60. It's got the caveman nose. The only year that had a fully concave nose. The later years punched this out a little bit to optimize cargo space up front in a Corvair because they're awesome. It has the trademark early 60s GM rear overhang on the sedan roof. It has the double hump dash, seating for 6. It's rear wheel drive. It's stronger than a light post. Now it doesn't have a windshield or a dash. It's a freaking Corvair! In this little mod, this big mod, that's just, I mean, look at the these voxels are gigantic. And this mod author has created clearly recognizable, it's an Edsel! This is an Edsel! Like, it's a freaking Corvair! Oh man. This like made my year. This is the coolest thing. There's Doc Brown's Packard right here. At least I think. It might be one of another couple, you know, similar era cars, but you got all these little shops, you got a phone booth. Some of the phone booths are ringing. Open up door. Oh, open. Oh. I said open up. It is a Corvair in this goofy little destructible voxel world. And there's a car dealership over here we could go smash and grab. Oh, I didn't. That was mostly smash and not so much grab. Engine. Enough room to sleep in the trunk. And a freaking Corvair! I mean, it has 2 carbs. It's got the goofy little firewall. It's got the six flat cylinders. It's got the little rear grille. It's got the Corvair logo. Well, it's 60 actually. It would have said Chevrolet, but I mean, it's got the 60 oval headlights. It's got 1 mirror. It just, oh man, it is like, it's perfect. This is the best. Now it's time for some nitroglycerin.